Hi. Good day. Welcome to Play Drums the easy way. Alright, so we're going to continue with another drum beat, okay? And it's one of those drum beats that was actually kind of created in the 90s, and it really added a very strong bass, to the whole, to soca. All right, and so it is still being used today. All right, so let's go. We're gonna go with that, and you're gonna see exactly how that's done. So that one starts with double beat on the bass drum. 1, 2, 3, 4. It goes. Hi-hat. Did you get it? Let's go again. Right, so that's one of them. Okay, we're going in the next video, we're going to improvise and we're going to add on some more to it.